Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to configure a Grandstream Ht818 gateway in less than 60 seconds. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is connect the internet to WAN port and your PC to the LAN port. Default IP address is 192.168.2.1, or you can run an IP scan and log in with the IP address from your LAN range. The default log is admin. First thing you're going to do is go up to Profile 1. And we're going to need to put in this primary SIP server. So where do you get that? Well, we are using US Tech for our SIP trunk. So we're going to go down to SIP config. We're going to copy the registration server URL, and we're going to paste it right here. We're going to scroll down and apply. Next thing, go over to FSX ports, and we're going to go back to our US Tech portal. We're going to copy the username and the password, so we'll copy this and we will paste it right here and right here. We will go back and get the password, copy it, and we're going to copy the password right here. If you want the lines to hunt, do this. Active, put all these to 1, 1, 1. Now ports 2, 3, and 4 will hunt from port 1. If you are using hunting ports, you do not have to register these 3 ports. You can just register this and set this like this, hit apply, and voila.